Good morning, traders. It's 12:38 on Monday morning, the 23rd of May. I haven't been able to record up to this point, but let me just go through what's happened so far. You can see we've got the range plotted here with our orders on either side. We got triggered into our short order on the 10 o'clock candle, and as you can see, it's gone up since that point. It's not looking great at the moment. We're 274 down. Our stop loss is at 320. If you just have a look at the 5-minute chart, you can see we got kicked in down here, and it went up kind of to where it is at the moment, came down again, was looking as if it's going to go out of the range again, but decided to go up again. So yeah, things not looking great for now, but as we have seen in the past, anything can happen. So yeah, we just gotta take it as it comes. But yeah, I'll keep you updated as to what goes on there, and hopefully we can make some good profit today as well. Okay, it's just gone 1 o'clock. Unfortunately, we got stopped out of that trade, and our stop loss, as you can see on this candle, the 12 o'clock candle, it went straight through our stop loss over here. Unfortunate, but it just seems to be bouncing through the range so far today. And on that trade, we lost 321 Rand and 49 cents. So I've still got the order to go long at the top of the range over here. We'll see if it triggers that one. If it doesn't trigger the long position before 3 o'clock or 3:30 at least, I might consider placing a order to go short below this candle, but I'll keep you posted on that. Okay, it's now 3:15. Since I got stopped out, it's kind of just hung about in the range here. It's not really showing much direction at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an order to go short below this low of 10 o'clock candle. The low is 391410. So let's place an order. $3912.10, order to go short. So let's place that order there, and stop loss 300 odd Rand. So let's make it 314. So it's just over there, same distance as that is from that order. And then I'm going to put the take profit down here on these lows. 1,300 Rand away, just so that it gives us room in case it goes past the 500 Rand mark, but I'll obviously evaluate that as we go along. But let's see what happens with the opening at 3:30 and see whether it goes up and triggers our long, or goes down and triggers our short. Okay, it's just gone 4 o'clock, 8 minutes past 4. And we've been kicked into our short position, the order that I just placed just before 3 or after 3. So you can see we got kicked in here. It happened at 4:02, and currently sitting at about 20 odd Rand down. Let's just have a look at the 5-minute chart to get a clearer picture. Yeah, so there were 3 nice downward candles, got kicked in at the bottom of this one, and this current candle's quite struggling to find direction, but hopefully it'll continue down. I'll keep you in the loop about what happens with this trade. Okay, it's now 4:18, and unfortunately that trade didn't work out either, and we got stopped out. So on that trade, we lost 446 Rand and 28 cents. There was a bit of slippage, so lost quite a bit more than what we were anticipating. But yeah, I'm not gonna enter another position short. So the only way we'll trade again is if it breaks out the top, and we'll have to see what happens with that. Okay, it's 5:36, and as you can see, I was kicked into a long position. So third try for the day, I was kicked into a long position at 5:04, and we're currently sitting at 193, 189-ish rand profit. It's looking the most promising out of all of the trades we've had so far today. So because of the losses we had earlier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my take profit up. I'm just going to put a line where it was originally, and then I'm going to move my take profit up to higher levels so that I can potentially make back what I lost earlier. So as it moves upwards, I'm going to move my stop loss with it. Currently it hasn't gone far enough for me to move my stop to 0, I don't think, but yeah, if it continues up, maybe if this candle closes above the sort of 250 mark or this level over here, I'll move my stop to 0. But for now, I'm keeping my stop loss where it was, and just aiming for a higher take profit. So we'll see what happens as the night progresses, and I'll obviously keep you informed on that. Okay, it's now actually the next morning, the 24th. I just want to go through what I did with the trade last night. So at a point we were in long, as you may recall, we were in long, and I had moved my take profit up to a higher point over here with my original take profit at this line over here. I decided just before I went to bed at about 10 o'clock that I'm going to put my stop at 0. So I put my stop at break even, and with the expectation that it would continue up and potentially gap up in the morning. However, it did the exact opposite, and we closed last night ended with I would have been about 350 odd rand in profit. But unfortunately this morning it gapped down, and it took me out at the opening, and I lost a further 149 rand and 56 cents, which unfortunately took our losses for the day all the way to 917 rand and 33 cents. So all in all, not a great Monday. Started off the week on quite a bad note, but yeah, 917 rand 33 cents down. Hopefully the rest of the week will play along, and we can gain that back and much more. If we look at last week, Monday was our only losing day, so hopefully this week will follow the same pattern. But I'll see you again just now as I record the clips for Tuesday's trading. Cheers.